Yeah, I'm about to do a home workout with some bands. Wait, what? The gyms are open? Cool. I'm coming. Don't need these anymore. Okay, so it's been about a week since the gyms have reopened back in England. So besides the rules that have been put in place, like the social distancing, here's a few things that you can think about for yourself when going back to the gym. Okay, first one, body recomposition. Generally, when you want to build muscle, you want to be in a slight calorie surplus, but due to unforeseen circumstances, it's very unlikely you had the same facilities as your gym does at home. So probably you weren't training as intense. So going back to the gym gives you an opportunity to build muscle and trim fat at the same time, something that usually isn't encouraged. If you had some decent muscle before and lost some of it over the previous couple of months, your muscle memory should kick in, allowing you to regain some of your size and strength, even if you're in a calorie deficit, therefore allowing you to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. The next one is working on your form. So we should be aiming to do the best form we can with every rep we do, but sometimes that gets lost when we're chasing PRs or ego lifting. But after months of not lifting heavy, you shouldn't really be going and lifting heavy straight away. You need to scale it back, drop the ego, and then work on your form and then build up from there. Also, this is a great opportunity to correct any issues you had previously. So for example, if you couldn't get deep in a squat, maybe you had tight hips or poor mobility, that's something that you can work on. The next one is tracking progress. So that's taking pictures, progress pictures, tracking your workouts, looking at the scales. Tracking is something that we all should be doing, but we don't because we think we're too smart and we remember everything. And lastly is trying something new. So going back to the gym is like starting fresh. So if there's something that you wanted to try, just go and give it a go. Anyways, one of my first workouts back in the gym was legs, and I am weak as But yeah, here's the full workout. Also, I don't hate bands. I think they're a great tool. I'll probably use them as an accessory to my weight training, but I'm not a fan of band only workout, so hopefully I don't have to do any more of them anytime soon.